Welcome. If you want to take a break from the X app or simply deactivate your account for any reason, the process is straightforward and quick. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to deactivate your X account. Updated for 2025. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a side menu with various options. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy, and tap on it. Inside the Settings and Privacy menu, look for the Your Account section and select it. This is where you manage all your personal account settings. Among these options, you will see Deactivate Account. Tap on that to proceed. You will then see information about what deactivating your account means. Essentially, deactivation hides your profile and activity, but doesn't immediately delete your account. To continue, tap Deactivate at the bottom of the screen. For security, the app will ask you to enter your password. Once you do, tap Deactivate again to confirm the action. Your X account will now be deactivated. Keep in mind that deactivation is not the same as permanent deletion. Your account will stay in this deactivated state for 30 days. During this period, you can reactivate your account by simply logging back in with your credentials. If you don't log in within these 30 days, your account and all associated data will be permanently deleted. That's all it takes to deactivate your account on the X app. Whether you want a temporary break or are planning to leave the platform for good, following these simple steps will get the job done smoothly and safely.